राज्यात सुमार 900 बारांची लायसनां इश्यू केल्ली आसात। जाणी बारांची लायसनां रिन्यू करूंक नात तांच्यांनी आपले लायसनां रिन्यू करची म्हण आवाहन अबकारी खात्यान केला। आरडी स्कोआ खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
Inspectors are on the job, and those who have approached our offices, all the licenses have been renewed. So far around 900 licenses have been issued out of approximately 1200 licenses which we had anticipated. So all the people are once again being requested to renew the licenses as early as possible. Demeasurement work has started. We have issued the order. So the Talka level committee will go and they'll approach all the licensees, and this time the work has started with the Talka. As I had informed earlier, so roughly all the licenses which were affected in the beginning. So after all this exercise, around 1000 would remain out of the around 1000 to 1100, 1200.
After Panchayat survey, there will be
around 1000 plus would be still be remain affected, which will be falling just next to the highways.